Welcome back to another crypto farm video where today we're going to be talking about the Teddy Bears NFT collection. Now, this is something really cool, to be completely honest with you. I like the artwork a lot. As you can see, they're very simple with very simple backgrounds. However, they do have a lot of utility for future reference. Now, this is definitely something that you should be having a look at, which is why I'm going to do a detailed review of it right now and focus on everything starting with the communities on Twitter and Discord, and obviously talking about the artist as well, which is this guy. Hi, and we're going to talk about everything. So if you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite parts about this project. And lastly, let's just get into it. So the Teddy Bears NFT collection, if deadly, why fluffy? These guys are actually fighting climate change one bear at a time. The art is made by this guy right here. We're going to take a look at his profile, but let's just have a look at the artwork first of all. Now, here you can see a little good morning message to the Teddy fam. First 50 retweets will have a chance at whitelisting. So that was actually posted today. And essentially all you need to do is just retweet the tweet, right? Press this button right here, and you will have a chance to actually get whitelisted for the project. So it's very cool to see how engaging these guys are for their actual communities. Very nice to see, and definitely something I am interested in when looking for a good project to invest in for the future, because the artwork is one thing, the roadmap is another thing, but how they're treating and engaging and rewarding their community is the most important aspect of any project. Now, here's a little doodle dog NFT, and they made something for them, right? And they're actually going to auction it to a charity of their choice. Really cool as well to see some charity work being done by projects all over the internet, such as the Teddy Bears NFT. Did someone say beep bop? The beep pose. So these guys also drew a another themed teddy bear right here with a little beepo hoodie, right? Really cool as well. I like to see that they're not only engaging with the community of their own project, they're engaging with communities of different projects out there, which is bringing utility to the project itself, right? The people who are going to win the most are the people who actually purchase these NFTs. So they were also giving away some whitelist spots on the January of 21st. And if you look a little bit down, you can see all of these tweets one by one and side by side. Now, if you do enjoy this project and if you think that it's something cool, I will be covering the Discord as well to take a look at the announcements, sneak peeks, and pretty much everything else. But make sure to give these guys a follow on their Twitter page, and also check out the Teddy Bears artist. So right here you can see hi. It's an NFT artist doing everything for fun. This is the Teddy Bears NFT itself, and obviously it's all part of the metaverse. There's a Discord right here, and right here you can see some more retweets, right? So one person who retweets and follows with notifications will win the Cool Cats NFT worth $28,000. That is absolutely crazy, right? Really cool. I don't understand how this cat can be worth so much money, but yeah, just the NFT space for you all. Now, once again, this guy, is doing another giveaway, and Hi is just being a part of the communities of different projects and trying to get a little giveaway in for herself. Now, right here you can see a fishy art contest, as a part of the Teddy Bear gang itself, and just a lot of interesting stuff. These guys are everywhere, right? They're engaging in a lot of different NFT type of different projects, right? But also they're engaging the community very well in their own project, as you can see with this update right here from yesterday. So the collection is actually coming along extremely nice. The Artistic Bear has been absolutely smashing it with the updated layers, and the code to trial the generative art is very, very much in use and very, it works very well. So they actually removed the roadmap from the channel, and a lot of it will remain the same, but there's some seriously exciting elements regarding the sequel project that this guy Invicta would like to add. Alongside this, he wants to update the images in line with the new artwork. These guys are working hard on getting collaborations. You can see the collab artworks as I showed you on the Twitter as well. A lot of different collabs going on all the time, and essentially this is going to be something really cool, and this small community is going to grow. It's currently 490 members, but this could be 10 or even 100 times this if we do continue at this pace and growing at this rate. Just a little thank you to all the early believers in here and everyone for being so kind in the Discord. Big things are coming. You can see a little bit about the roadmap. Obviously, it was just deleted, but we're going to check that out later on. Obviously, these guys are trying to promote fighting climate change and also, charity work as well. So some of the sneak peeks right here of the bears themselves. I'm going to leave a few likes. This is a really cool one. Little fishbowl astronaut bear, little dragon bear, little, I don't even know what this is. Little, infidel bear, little straw bear. Now this is really cool. It's a straw bear, like a strawberry, like a straw bear. I never really thought I would ever say that word in my life, but it happened just now. You can see the official tweets right here. You can see a lot about the actual giveaways on the Twitter page. You can see rules about the actual server. Some frequently asked questions. So when will it actually launch? April is the launch month, but it will likely be moved forward as they progress. How big will the supply be? 9,595. What are the actual teddy bears? Well, they're cute but deadly bears, and they're heavily inspired by cool cats and bring a fluffy twist on the touted collection. Okay, how do you actually purchase it? Well, they will be mintable through the website. More info to come when this is up and running. Now, DMs they're receiving DMs, saying about the whitelist and everything. Well, nope, the team will never DM you, so never fall for stuff like that. Will this project moon? Absolutely, it will, and I think the same. Now, you have a little bit of info about the whitelist as well. So how many whitelist spots? 2,000. How do I actually get it? Well, the team is watching and handing out whitelist spots regularly to active and adding members of the community. And if you don't have time to message people all the time in Discord to be able to get these whitelist spots right, there will be multiple challenges, giveaways, and other methods as well to gain the whitelist. So don't fret. Now, they are adding an additional method to gain the whitelist where you can simply invite 5 people to the Discord server and reach level 5. That's it. Now, then you go to the support tickets and you simply use the command rank to prove you meant the invites, and you will get your whitelist spot. Now, you can meet the team right here. This is Hi, the actual artist. You can call him Hi or Jet. It's a digital artist and aspiring developer from the Philippines, currently studying in uni. Been in the NFT space for quite some time. He's very passionate about the art, and I really can't wait to see all of the collection on the secondary market. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review of the Teddy Bearz NFT collection. Now, lastly, if you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your thoughts and, anything interesting you thought about this project. And lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest into crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So see you guys next time.